Meaning of fabrication.
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 Fabrication. The term fabrication refers to the act of creating or inventing something that is not true or real, often with the intent to deceive others. This can include falsifying information, forging documents, or manufacturing false evidence. The result of fabrication can have serious consequences, ranging from damaging reputations and relationships to criminal charges and legal penalties. It is important to be honest and truthful in all aspects of life, both personally and professionally, in order to avoid the negative impact of fabrication.